Hello everybody, happy Monday morning. This is Mrs. Dubois. Again, we're in Unit 2, this is Notes 4. Okay, it's based on equations, same kind of thing. We're looking for a starting value that doesn't change, is a fixed value, and then something that varies or increases or decreases. So we're looking at player A starts with 8 points and earns 2 points for each basket. They score X baskets and earn a total of 32 points. So if we were to write out this model, right, they start with 8 points. So that's the begin value, the fixed value. And then 2 points for each basket. Baskets are X for a total of 32. Then you want to show your work and solve this. Okay, whoops, that should be a 2x equals 32. You want to draw your line, subtract 8, you'll get 2x equals what? 24? So x equals 12. Solve your equations. So player A has 12 baskets. Player B does not start with any points, but earns 4 points per basket. Write an equation to model the total number of points player B if they score X baskets and score 32 points. So let's see, player B has no points to begin with, but he's earning 4 per basket. So 4x equals 32. So I'm going to solve that on the side. Divide by 4. Whoop, draw my line. X is equal to 8. So 8 points. Who can get to 32 points first? So to get 32 points, player B, because he only needs 8 baskets. That player only needs 8 baskets. Okay, now we're going skiing. One ski plan allows you to pay a one-time fee of $100 and then $50 each week. So your begin value is $100 and it increases $50 each week. And then your total is $500 and your variable is sorry about that. So let's see. Your begin value is $100 and then it's 50s equals 500. Change colors, and I'm going to solve that over here. And remember, you're writing out all your work, okay, to get the foundation for solving equations. Okay, minus 100 from each side, and then 50s, that is 50s equals 400, so s is equal to 8. So 8 times you can ski. Now let's go on to the next page. As S. All right, you've been hired as a server at a restaurant where you will make $100 every week in tips and $2 per hour. In 1 week, you hope to earn $150 by working 8 hours. Okay, so let's see. You're hired by, so you make a consistent or begin value of $100, $2 per hour, and $150. You make in 1 week. So your begin value is 100. Your salary increases to $2 per hour, and 150. And not a great salary there, $2 an hour. Just kidding. Okay, so we're going to subtract 100. And then you have 2H equals 50. So each equals 25. So 25 hours. Okay, so today you have the spreadsheet, this, and then 3.2 is your homework. And then if you have any extra time, like I would just get yourself organized, get all of Unit 1 that you may have, that you haven't passed in, together, and get Unit 2 together and keep it in your notebook or folders. Okay, have a great day.